So good morning to one and all. So are you all ready with your maths textbook and
Yes, ma'am.
notebook? Yes. Okay. So we are going to start today's class. So have you remember the previous class, what all things we studied? We studied about
Seasons.
seasons. Very good. Seasons we completed in the last class. Okay. And today, let me ask you one thing. Today morning,
Today morning,
you get up early in the morning?
yes,
Everyone? Huh? How many times your mother called? How many times your mother called today? Please wake up, wake up. Now it's 6 o'clock. Now it's 6:30. Like that?
two
Huh?
times.
Only 2 times. Okay. So at that time, you are after wake up, you have done some activities like we discussed in the previous class, isn't it? We get up early in the morning. After that, brushing, bathing, everything we done.
Morning.
Yes, and we all these activities are we doing in the correct time, isn't it? There is a time for everything. Yes or no? Yes. So today we are going to study about time. Okay? How to check the time, how to read the time. Okay, today we are going to study how to read the time. So you in your home, every home it is clock is there, isn't it? You all have a small one timepiece like alarm clock. Different types of models are there, isn't it? Huh? Clocks are there in your home. Yes. Okay. And how many of you know to read the time? Do you know to read the time?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, then it is easy to study today. Okay. So it's very easy to study. Okay. So have you noticed in the clock there are hands, isn't it? Like our hands, for this clock also hands are there. Yes. Okay. Then let me share my screen.
Now it's 9 o'clock.
Yes. Now see, today's topic is time.
And there was no.
Devadas,
No.
you don't know. Yes. Okay. We will study today.
I know.
Okay. Okay.
No.
Now listen. Here you can see one clock picture, right? Yes or no? Can you see one clock? Yes. And in this clock, you can see 2 hands are there, isn't it? How many hands are there here?
Two.
2 hands are there. Okay, very good. So here you can listen. Here, one hand is, please mute your mic, everyone. Okay. One hand is long hand and the other one is short hand.
Come later.
Okay, it's okay, my dear. Please listen. Please listen. Now we started. Just now only we started. Now we are going to study how to read the time. Okay. And here you can see one clock picture. And in this picture, in this clock, you can see 2 hands are there. One hand is long hand and the second one is short hand. Okay. Huh? Okay. So here there are some, there is a name for this hand. The long hand is called minute hand. What it is? Minute hand. The long hand is called minute hand. And what about the short hand? The short hand is called hour hand. Okay. Hour hand. The short hand is called hour hand and the long hand is called minute hand. Okay, understood? Clear? Yes? Have you all understood? There's 2 hands of the clock. One hand is long hand. The long hand is called minute hand. And the second one is short hand. The short hand is called hour hand. And one more thing you see, like our face, the clock is also having a face, isn't it? Huh? Here you can see the numbers on the face. starting from 1 to 12.
Go back.
Yes? Yes. Here you can see the face of the clock. Starting from 1 to 12 numbers are there. And the two hands are there on the face. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So we will call this face of the clock one name. The face of the clock is called dial. Okay? The
Dial.
face of the clock is called dial.
Dial.
Understood? So we studied three things today about this clock. There are two hands for a clock, and the long hand is called minute hand, short hand is called hour hand, and face of the clock is
Dial.
called dial.
Dial.
Okay?
Dial.
Understood, everyone?
Yes.
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 It's very easy to study. Okay. And look at here. It is written here. The short hand is known as hour hand. The long hand is known as minute hand. And the face of the clock is called dial. Okay? Yes. So these are the important points about this clock you have to study. You have to study the spelling, hour hand. What is the spelling of hour hand? H-O-U-R-H-A-N-D. Okay. And what about minute hand? Minute hand spelling? U-T-E-H-A-N-D. And what about the spelling of dial? D-I-A-L. Dial. Okay. And again here, look here in this clock. Now we are going to study how to read the time. Okay, how to read the time. So listen, children. Here we discussed that is one hand is long hand and the other one is short hand, isn't it? So now listen, when the minute hand, which is the minute hand here? This long one, isn't it? This long hand is called minute hand. So minute hand is on which number here? Minute hand is facing which number? It is facing the number 12. Yes. And what about the short hand? Which number? It is pointing to 3. Okay. Now the time is 3 o'clock. Okay, very good. So listen here. Let me tell you. So when you're getting a clock, when the minute hand points to 12 and the hour hand to any one of the number. Okay. The minute hand pointing to 12 and the hour hand pointing to any of the number, we read it as that time. So suppose the minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand is on 7. So what will be the time? What will be the time?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Okay. Now minute hand is on 12. Hour hand is on 10. What is the time?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Okay. Understood, everyone?
10 o'clock.
Yes. Okay. Understood how to read the time. Now I will show you a video.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now let me ask you some questions.
Ma'am, you want to write?
Wait a minute. I'll tell you. Okay. So here you can see one clock, isn't it? Andrea, please unmute. Andrea.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell the time? What is the time here? Here, where is the minute hand? It is on 12. Okay. Then where is the hour hand? It is on 10. Right? 10. Isn't it? Yes or no? Andrea? Andrea, are you there? Where are you? Andrea? Okay, okay. See, once again, please try. Okay. So the time is? What is the time, Andrea? It is? Our hand is facing the number 10. So the time is 10 o'clock. How to tell the time?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Okay, very good. Next, Sarah. Sarah Rofin.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can see the other clock, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. So can you tell the time now?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. Very good. Correct answer. Where is the long hand? Long hand is on 12. Long hand is minute hand. Minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand is on 1. Now the time is 1 o'clock. Okay, very good. So please, all of you, please take your textbook. Please take your textbook, everyone, and page number 11. Page number 11. Part 2, textbook, page number 11. Page number 11.
Textbook.
Yes, this page. Page number 11, you can see this page, isn't it? Here you can see so many clocks are there.
Textbook.
Textbook, textbook. Okay. Now I will ask you one by one. At that time, you have to tell me the answer. So now we studied where is the minute hand. Minute hand will be on 12 and our hand is facing which number, that will be the answer. So if suppose the minute hand is facing 12 and our hand is on 4. So the time is 4 o'clock, isn't it? And minute hand is on 12 and our hand is on 8. What will be the time? 8 o'clock, isn't it? 8 o'clock. Okay, 8 o'clock. Now all of you take this textbook. Daksha Lakshmi. Daksha Lakshmi. Please tell this first one. First one, you can see one clock. Isn't it? What is the question? I drink milk and have my breakfast at dash o'clock in the morning. So you can see the time here. What is the time? Yes, it is already. Yes.
Page number?
Page number 11.
Page number 11.
Okay, now it's already written here. It is 8 o'clock. Why it is 8 o'clock? The long hand, the minute hand is on which number? 12. 12, minute hand. Minute hand is on 12 and our hand is on
8.
8. So the time is 8 o'clock. Okay, so all of you write. It's already there. So thank you. Thank you, Daksha. Then next question for Samanyaya. Samanyaya, please unmute and tell me the second one.
Dash.
Once. Okay, 1 minute. Samanyaya, please unmute. Okay. What is the second question? Please read it.
Dash o'clock in the evening.
No. Here top you can see this question. I eat my snacks.
I ate
my snacks and
my snacks and
do homework at dash o'clock in the evening. So the clock is already given there. So can you tell the time? What is the time? Where is the hour hand? Our hand is facing which number? The short hand. The short hand.
I can't see the question here. Which question?
See, look at the screen. You can see, no? Question number B.
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay.
eat my snacks
Hmm, hmm.
and do homework at -o'clock in the evening.
Yes.
4 o'clock.
Yes, very good. So here you can see the hour hand is facing the number 4. The hour hand is on 4 and minute hand is on 12. So the time is 4 o'clock. Okay.
4 o'clock.
Very good. Please write it, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, my dear. Next question for Veda. Veda, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please read question number C.
I watch TV at
Dash o'clock at night.
o'clock at
Ah.
night.
Can you tell the time?
I watch TV at 7 o'clock at night.
Very good. It is 7 o'clock here. Why it is 7 o'clock? The long hand, the minute hand is facing, the minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand is on 7. Right? So the time is 7 o'clock. Okay, thank
7
you.
o'clock.
Very good.
Welcome, ma'am.
Then next one, Suryesh. Suryesh, my dear, unmute. Okay. Please read question number D. Question. I go to bed. I go to bed at
go to
at very good 9 o'clock. Here the clock you can see the hour hand is on 9, long hand minute hand is on 12. So the time is 9 o'clock. Very good, Suryesh. Well done. Okay. Then the next question. Next question for Abel Saju. Abel, please unmute. Please tell me the question number E.
I reach school at -o'clock in the morning.
Yes. Can you tell the time here? Which time is there in this clock?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Very good. Here also you can see 9 o'clock.
Ma'am.
Yes, very good. All of you please write the correct answer in your textbook. Are you all writing? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Then next question for Ryan. Ryan, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please read the question number F.
I have my dinner at -o'clock at night. 8 o'clock.
Yes, very good. It is 8 o'clock. How can we understand this? Minute hand is on 12, hour hand is on 8. So the time is 8 o'clock. Okay, very good. Next question for Prithvi. Prithvi, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please read question number G.
I got to play at o'clock in evening.
What is the time?
1 o'clock.
Here.
5 o'clock.
Which one?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Yes, correct answer. It is 5 o'clock. Here the hour hand is facing the number 5 and the minute hand is on 12. So the time is 5 o'clock. Very good, Prithvi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. The next question for Dia. Dia KP.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please read the next question, my dear. Question number H.
I have my lunch at clock in the afternoon.
Yes. What is the time?
1 o'clock.
Yes, very good. It's 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock here. You can see the hour hand is on 1 and minute hand is on 12. Okay, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anton Sminto, please read the last question. Please unmute.
I come home from
School at
at 3
mm,
o'clock
mm,
in the
afternoon. Yes, here you can see the clock. The long hand is on 12. The minute hand is on 12. Hour hand is on 3. So the time is 3 o'clock. Okay, very good, Anton. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so I hope it's clear to you, everyone. Have you all understood how to read the time? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there everyone completed?
Completed.
Completed. Is it easy?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So now everyone know how to read the time. Yes. Now, if I am giving a clock and without hands, all of you please listen. Please listen, everyone. If I am giving a clock without hands, will you able to draw the hands for the clock? Yes. I will show you one example. Okay. I will show you one example. So please watch it. How to draw the hands of the clock. Here you can see a clock without hands, isn't it? There is no hands for this clock. So I'm going to draw, I need to mark one time. So the time is 7 o'clock. Okay, I need to mark this 7 o'clock in this clock. So we need to draw 2 hands, right? We need to draw 2 hands. So what about this hands? One will be long and one will be short. Okay. So listen, everyone. Smriti, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I need to draw the hands of the clock. And the time is 7 o'clock. Okay. So will you help me to draw the clock, Smriti?
Yes.
Yes. So first I need to draw the minute hand. That is our long hand. Okay. Smriti, will you help me to draw the hands? Where I need to draw the hands facing on which number?
12.
12. Very good. So I'm going to draw the hand, long hand. That is our minute hand. Minute hand I am drawing here facing which number? 12. Okay, very good. Then, Smriti, will you help me to draw the short hand, our hand?
Yes.
Where I need to draw? Our hand, the time is 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. So where I need to draw the hour hand?
7.
Which number? Yes, 7. Very good. So when you are drawing the hands, you should be careful. If you draw the minute hand like this long, then our hand should be less than that. Okay? Not bigger than the minute hand. The hour hand will be less than the minute hand. Okay, now what is the time? It is 7 o'clock. Very good, Smriti. Thank you for helping me. Okay, then next let me ask to Ishan Krishna. Will you help me to draw the next one?
Yes,
Ishan?
ma'am.
Yes. So please tell one time, your favorite time. Any one
10
time?
o'clock.
10 o'clock. Okay. So I need to draw the 10 o'clock here. Okay. So please help me. Which hand I will draw first? Ishan?
Minute hand.
Minute hand. Okay. So I'm going to draw minute hand. Which number? On which number I will draw? 12. Okay. Very good. Thank you so much. Here I'm going to draw this long hand. Minute hand is on 12. And Ishan, what about the short hand? Hour hand?
10.
10. Okay. Thank you. So is it bigger than this minute hand or smaller?
Smaller.
Smaller. Okay. So here I draw this hour hand and now the time is 10 o'clock. Very good. Thank you so much, Ishan. Have you all understood, my dear students, how to draw the hands? If you are getting a clock without hands, now have you all understood how to draw the time?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, is it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So now all of you please take your maths notebook. Take your, yes, please take your maths notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Open your notebook. And one more thing I have to tell you, for the next class, all should be ready with a thing for drawing a clock. For drawing the clock, first we have to draw a circle, isn't it? First we have to draw a circle. After that only we can mark the numbers and all. So for the next period, you have to be ready with anything which is in round shape. So girls, it is easy to take any bangle. Huh? A bangle is okay for the girls. And boys also in your home, if your sister's bangle is there, that is good for you for drawing the clock. Otherwise, you can do one thing. Go to the kitchen and there will be something, some boxes will be there, right? That cap you can take, bottle's cap. So the next class, we will be drawing the clock. Okay. Understood? If it is bangle, it is more comfortable. You can hold it properly and draw the circle. Okay. So for the next class, not for today, for the next class. Okay, understood everyone? Is there any doubt? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Yes, Shivanidya?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Huh?
Which book?
Now you have to take your maths notebook.
Not drawing. Which book?
Which one? Drawing. No need to draw. I will tell you in the next class.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to be ready with the things for drawing.
Drawing book.
Not drawing book. We will draw in the maths book itself. Okay, my dears. Then the next class, I will show you how to draw the clock, how to mark the numbers. You have to be careful while drawing the clock. Okay, now I think it's time to wind up our session. Yes, my dears. Okay, listen. Now it's the time to wind up. So we will write the notes in the next class. Okay?
ma'am.
So have you all understood today's portion time?
Yes.
So there are two hands. Please listen. The two hands of the clock are minute hand and hour hand. Yes. And one more thing we studied. That is face of the clock. Face of the clock is called dial. Okay. So I hope it's clear to you. So thank you so much. We will see you till the next class. Until then, bye-bye. Take care. Good day.